Royal, you are about to eat so good.
Oh yeah, Royal. You're in there in your mom's belly right now.
He's ready to eat. My stomach is tight already, but we about to eat as much as we can because
But it's time for you to grow up, baby boy.
it's working.
Ah, that hit stick, man. That hit stick. Look at Bay play. I'm gonna hit on this. I can't wait to jump on this.
I took a picture of you taking them.
Time to grow.
Royal, you are about to eat so good.
Oh yeah, Royal.
You're so ugly.
Man, good and healthy. Good and black and healthy.
We're at Louisiana Bistro. I just got off of work. That's why I have scrubs on. Wow. What is that?
Dry potato.
Instantly, I felt full. Like,
Wow. This shit kind of dope.
oh my goodness.
What is this?
A type of fish.
How's everything taste so far?
Man,
Like it? Good. I'm so glad.
we gonna have to come back here.
Yeah. Me too.
This is our
Always
first
consider
time.
me too.
Yes, what's your name?
Amanda.
Amanda, thank you. Yes, I'm gonna ask for Amanda.
Well done.
Man.
I'm enjoying it.
She
Word.
suggested these good options.
But you gotta eat it with the stuff on the bottom.
I'm so glad you like
The
it.
sauce, I know. You already
Yes.
ate it with it?
Yeah.
I'm not even picking on it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I ate it before you.
Amanda hooked me up, period.
Yeah, she's nice.
And she got a Black Lives Matter mask. She know what's
Oh,
up.
yeah, 'cause
She know what's up. All lives matter. What? Oh Lord. I had some grilled oysters for the appetizer, y'all. It was so good.
This shit is fire. They did good on the steak.
I ain't even about to act like I can eat this food.
It's a little fatty, but yeah, I'm full.
We always do this.
I know these potatoes ain't gonna taste good later.
I know this dress is still gonna be good, period.
That's what it is, grits.
What you thought it was?
I ain't know.
I love grits.
But these don't even taste like good.
Baby, they jalapeno with cheese.
They grits. Yeah.
Don't play with me. I can really hit them notes. Okay?
She can really blow.
I can really hit them notes.
These
I really
potatoes,
like the
man, guys.
music and the vibe here. Here, remind me of the
Yeah, it's
country.
dope. Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so good.
This is good, man.
Thank you.
Look at these little baby shrimp. Little baby shrimp.
They're
Baby.
crawfish.
Crawfish.
Exactly, they're crawfish. Talking about
Oh, that's the butt. The crawfish butt. Shit. I mean the tail.
baby shrimp. I'm full.
You ready? Only thing I don't like about this shrimp, that shit fatty.
It's
I
what?
mean, the steak is just fatty. Or maybe it's just the ribeye.
No. But fat keep flavor. No, is it all?
No, you don't want it to be fatless.
Right, you do
You
want
just
it
don't want
fat.
too much fat.
So when you're pregnant, it's not good for you to eat until you're full, because right now I can tell that my stomach is getting really tight and it's discomforting. So you really just want to eat until you're good. Because once you eat when you're full, you're like, you don't want to do anything. So yeah. Will got his hair done today, but he's gonna get a haircut. You're nasty. It looks so good.
This shit, damn, bro. At least take one of the shrimp.
Even the shrimp looks so big. I can't even. Let me eat half a shrimp.
No, just eat it. Just eat it. Throw it in your mouth. Shrimp light, so you good.
I'm about to buzz.
Yeah. All right.
Waiter, check. I only got 4 of them.
What?
What's so weird?
Yeah.
You so annoying.
All right, it's gonna get a little hot.
All right, let's roll out into the next video, yo. You already know for sure. Here we go. Mama and Papa Bear coming through the door with some great new food. For sure, in the countryside, we up in Georgia. Don't even know what's wrong with ya. But we eating good, living good. No, we not in the hood. We in the city, and we know. I lost my focus on my freestyle. Look at my voice change. Pew. Oh, God. Food just came up.
All into my plate.
No, it just flew on the
Stay
table.
in there.
It just flew on the table.
I gotta eat her spit. No, just playing.
Y'all know I got braces.
That was some good shrimp pieces, though.
And so we got some dessert. We got beignets, but
Tastes like
I'm
funnel
full. Yeah, it tastes like funnel cake. And we got red velvet, my favorite. This is red velvet cheesecake, though. Beignets. Baby already
Tastes
tried
like funnel
some. Is it good, though?
Funnel cake.
I really wanted to bite one, but I'm going to wait a second. I'm so full. I can't even do it.